Hi there. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about jobs, careers, and hiring processes at top companies. Today, we'll explain how to get a job at Poornam InfoVision, an IT services company that helps businesses around the world. Poornam InfoVision started in 1999 and is known for providing support in web hosting, software development, and IT management. They also operate under the name Bob Cares. The company has offices in Kochi, Kerala, and Phoenix, Arizona. They manage over 47,000 internet servers, providing round-the-clock services. Poornam InfoVision believes in helping small and medium businesses grow with the power of technology. They're always looking for talented people who love solving problems and learning new things. If that sounds like you, keep watching to find out what it takes to join their team. The first step is to send your resume. The HR team carefully reviews it to decide if your skills and experience match the job requirements. Your resume is very important because it's the first impression you make. Make sure your resume highlights your education, skills, and experience. If you've done any projects or earned certifications, include those too. Don't forget to keep it short and easy to read. A clear and well-organized resume increases your chances of getting selected. If you are applying through college, they will mention the cutoff CGPA. If your resume is shortlisted, you'll be invited to take a written test. This test has 5 parts. Each part checks a different skill. 1. Aptitude test. This section has questions that test your problem-solving and logical thinking skills. You'll need to solve puzzles, math problems, and interpret data. To prepare, practice solving puzzles and math questions. 2. Comprehension section. Here, you'll read passages and answer questions about them. This tests how well you can understand and explain what you read. You can practice by reading articles or stories and summarizing them. 3. Computer aptitude. This section tests your basic knowledge of computers, such as operating systems and programming. To do well, review basic computer concepts. Online tutorials can help you prepare. 4. General technical awareness. This part has questions about technology topics like networking, databases, and troubleshooting. It's more focused on technical skills, so prepare by studying topics related to IT and software development. 5. Essay test. Finally, there's an essay test. You'll write a short essay on a general topic. This shows how well you can communicate your thoughts in writing. To practice, write essays on different topics and focus on clear and simple language. The entire test usually takes about an hour. Doing well here is important because it decides if you move to the next stage. Step 3. Technical interview. If you pass the written test, the next step is the technical interview. This is where they check how much you know about your field. They might ask about your past projects, your skills, and how you'd solve real-world problems. They'll also look at how well you can work with a team and solve challenges creatively. Be honest and confident when answering. If you don't know something, it's okay to admit it. Show that you are willing to learn. The final step is the HR interview. This is more casual and focuses on your personality and goals. They want to see if you'll fit into their company culture. This is your chance to ask questions about the company and the role. Be honest about what you are looking for in a job and how you can contribute to their team. That's it. That's the hiring process at Poornam InfoVision. It includes sending your resume, passing a written test, and doing well in interviews. If you prepare well for each step, you have a great chance of getting hired. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on jobs and careers. Good luck with your application to Poornam InfoVision.